Welcome back to the track, everyone. This is semi-final one. Macy's on board. Let's have a look at tonight's drivers, mate. Who have we got?
Absolutely fantastic to be here for the first lot of semi-finals. First cab off the rank for Holden today is IMI driving the number 22 Holden Commodore. Next up for Holden is Big Daddy Addy driving the number 12 Grey SS Commodore.
First up, driving for Team Ford tonight is CB in the number 7 Milk Ford Falcon. And right alongside of him is Steve Owozzy in the 65 Better Electrical Ford Falcon. Good luck, everyone, in tonight's first semi-final.
Drivers are ready to rock and roll. They're lined up at the starting gates and ready to put their best foot forward in this semi-final. Good luck to all drivers. We'll see you right back here after race number 4.
True love, this thing right here, so I'm gonna leave you. Can be with someone who doesn't care. You're running away from our problems. So here we stand on the edge tonight. There's no turning back now. I've been weak for 3 damn weeks. I can't think straight, no, I can't eat. I cry and I cry and I cry and I cry. The way I cry, it's time to say goodbye. This is what love do. I'm tired, this is how you lose. My trust for you, if only you knew. How much I tried, what love do. Yeah, I had enough. Treat you like you my everything, but you just shoot me down. 'Cause I am just your anything, you throw my heart around. This ain't true love, boo. This ain't true love, this thing right here, so I'm gonna leave you. Can be with someone who doesn't care. You've been lying and lying and lying and lying to me like forever. I can't believe that.
First up, semi-final. What can I say? Fantastic racing there by everyone. Unfortunately, there are 2 teams and drivers that go home tonight, and the first one is Big Daddy Addy in the number 12 Grey SS Commodore on 8 points. Thank you, mate, for taking part in this competition. And for Team Ford, Steve Owozzy in the 65 Better Electrical. Thanks again for partaking in this competition. However, this is the end of the line for you.
Well, what an amazing return to form it was for Team Holden tonight. IMI taking away 4 wins in a row in that number 22 Toll Holden Commodore. Joining him for Team Ford is CB in the number 7 Milk Falcon. Great job, boys. We'll see you in the next stage.
And here's the team results after semi-final 1. Ford right out front on a whopping 138, when Holden trailing behind on a 122. It's doable to catch up to Ford at this time. We still have a few semis to go and the finals.
And the fastest time tonight was taken out by IMI in that Toll Holden Commodore in a time of 13.68 seconds. Great driving from him, keeping the dream alive for Holden.
Thank you, Macy. Let's head into the replays. Well, it was Team Holden all the way from top to bottom. They just held on into turn 2, coming down to turn 3, and it was a 1 and 2 for Team Holden.
Well, race number 2 was a closer affair, with Steve Owozzy taking off like a scolded cat in that Better Electrical Falcon, but it wasn't long until IMI caught up in his Toll Holden Commodore. 4 points on the board for Holden, and another victory for IMI.
Race 3, Steve Owozzy takes the lead. However, he just tumbles over out of that chicane, and it's Team Holden all the way.
It was all about IMI tonight, single-handedly keeping the dream alive for Team Holden with 4 wins in a row. Fantastic performance. Let's hope for Team Holden that he can keep that going as he moves on through the competition.
Well, congratulations to Team Ford for really jumping out in front in points tonight. Well, that's a wrap. A big thank you to Macy, our co-host right here in Holdens vs Ford, to our sponsor, Crabster, who's supplying all the Fords and Holdens, and to our mechanic and engineer on the track, Mark D from Cut Rock Racing. Until next time, we'll catch you later.